like to frame the ways to develop modern software applications as falling into two main buckets. There's customize on one end and there is compose on the other end, right? So customize approaches really assume that you start basically with a modern packaged application solution, like either a point solution or an integrated suite of apps, and then you add configurations, you add extensions and customizations, and then you obtain your required solution. Compose is another approach, and this assumes that you start first with some sort of a software development platform and then add open source libraries, cloud services, pre-packaged maybe visual components and so on to obtain whatever it is that you set out to build.